Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use AliExpress tiered promo code system. So let's get straight into the video. So let's understand it first. So AliExpress tiered promo codes, example, $10 off on $100, 30 on 200, are site-wide discounts based on the total cart value, which must be manually applied during the final checkout. Unlike seller coupons, these are provided by AliExpress and can often be stacked with store-level discounts to maximize your savings. In order to go ahead and simply go ahead and apply it, all you need to do is add a bunch of different things to your cart. So let's just say, for example, I'm going to add like a lot of different quantity of things, and when you go ahead and do that and head to your cart, there's going to be there's going to be the promo codes that are going to be available. So if the code is $400 plus spend, you must total be spending $100 or more, excluding shipping. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.